Dear students, very good morning. Yesterday we have discussed about that is in the previous video we have discussed about the message communication protocol which involved in the Internet of Things. This video, that is in this presentation, we are going to discuss about web communication protocols. Okay, so what are the protocols? It is very much helpful for the communication that is in through the web. We'll see in detail. Okay, web communication protocol for connected devices. So let's see some introduction about this connected devices. Data of connected device routes over the web into two types of communication, especially we have the environment, two types of environment. One is constrained, that is restful environment core, it is a fixed one we can say, and another one is unconstrained, it does not consist of any constraint. Okay, now we will see in detail about constrained and unconstrained environment for this web communication protocol. Here, this constrained environment, IoT devices or M2M devices communicate between themselves in a local area network. As what we already mentioned, it is a core and it is between the local area networks. A device typically sends or receives that is 10s of bytes. The data gathered after enriching and consolidating from the number of devices consists of hundreds of bytes. So the gateway in the communication framework enables the data of network devices and communicate over the internet using REST software architecture. Here it is very much important, that is REST software architecture, and this device have the constraint in the same constraint in the sense, and their data is limited in size compared to when the data interchange between web clients and web servers. Okay, so this is the fixed network, and we can it will be used in the local area network. And coming to the unconstrained network, it is mainly what we have discussed already. It is not fixed, that is web application using HTTP hypertext transfer protocol and RESTful HTTP for web client and web server communication. So it is mainly based upon the web client and web server, like we can have a cloud based. Okay, but constrained environment, it is mainly depends upon the LAN, that is local area network, and unconstrained network, it is mainly based upon the cloud based. So a web object consists of thousands of bytes data routes over IP, that is internet protocol networks, or for the internet. Web application and web services, that is services uses the IP and TCP, that is transmission control protocols for network, that is because TCP protocols, it works in the network layer, internet networks and transport layers. So this is the main structure diagram of web communication protocol for connected devices. Here we have connected as device 1, device 2, up to device n minus 1, right, 10s of bytes. And here we can use the communication protocol, wireless communication protocol, as Bluetooth or Zigbee or Wi-Fi or WiMAX. Likewise we can use to connect the device, as well as the physical data, it comes under the physical and data link layer. And coming to the application layer, we have the IoT, that is machine to machine, local area network and gateway, that is what we have already gone through the message communication protocol QAP, that is LoRaWAN, Zigbee. Zigbee is a wireless communication protocol, Bluetooth Smart IP, as well as Zigbee Internet Protocol. And coming to the network layer, we have the co-op client and co-op server, as well as the transport layer, UDP, that is user datagram protocol, as well as coming to the application support and application layers. Here we have the web object. Okay, so this is how the total process of this web communication protocol transmission takes place. And here the main, it is the that is constraint based environment. And coming to the web communication protocol, constraint application protocol. So these are the terms till now we have explained in the previous slide using the structure diagram. And coming to the and that is constraint application protocol, you just see IoT devices, that is IoT local area network, then direct access to the co-op server and look up for the resources, and finally it going to the IoT app. So with the help of the LAN, local area network and local area server, the web communication protocols of constrained application protocol takes place. And coming to the lightweight machine to machine communication protocol, it comes under to the unconstrained. And unconstrained protocol is an application layer protocol specified by Open Mobile Alliance for transfer of service data message. It finds applications in M2M. The protocol enable communication between client at the IoT device, and server at the M2M application and service capability layers. The protocol is a compact one, meaning small header. It has a client data model. It is generally used in the conjunction with CoAP. Okay, so this is the unconstrained communication protocol, environment communication protocol structure. So it is somehow it is elaborated one, and here the main resource here behind it is we have the web server. Okay, and this web server here, it consists of a DTLS, UDP, SMS. All those protocols are available here, as well as the client server and resources, and M2M app and M2M services. All those things exhibited in a proper way in the structure. So this is how the unconstrained machine to machine communication protocol structures seems. And still now we have discussed about the web communication protocols. We have so many web communication protocols, like web communication protocol in this area, but it based upon two criteria. That is, one is environment based, that is constraint based environment, as well as another one in unconstrained based environment. So we have detailed and we gone through the detailed structure of constraint based as well as the unconstrained based environment protocol in this video presentation. Thank you for your passion listening.